Just up here a little bit.
Yeah, up here on the 41st floor. That's pretty high.
I don't like sleeping that high up.
I don't mind it.
Scary.
And then again, I always sleep good.
We're in Malaysia.
Malaysia for round dose.
We are in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur. We flew here from India. We actually had to fly through here to get to the country that we're going to next, but we decided since we're already here, why not stay a little bit longer? So we're going to be spending 2 weeks here exploring the city, and I'm quite excited because we came here for the first time about a year and a half ago, and to be honest, we did not love the city. We like Malaysia, we've been other places in Malaysia, but this was for some reason not our favorite city. I think that we just didn't go to the right places and we didn't see enough. We love Malaysia, and I don't know, we didn't have a bad time, but we just didn't love it.
Yeah, I think last time it rained when we were here the whole time, so we really couldn't do a whole lot. Hello, can I have one duck rice? Duck rice? And that's it.
We are starting in a mall food court, which is like the perfect place to start because there's like a million malls and so many places to eat.
That's hot. That's real hot. Have we had duck before? In China? Is that where we had it?
Yeah.
I couldn't remember. That tastes like pork. The duck is cold though. Not warm.
It's supposed to be cold?
I don't know, I think so. Pretty good. Good with the rice. I saw that guy over there eating it, and I was like, that looks good.
Over to KLCC Park to see the Petronas Towers. Probably the most famous thing in Kuala Lumpur, I think.
Yeah, definitely. I feel like you can see it from almost anywhere.
We have been here for a few days, but this is our first full day of exploring the city. Do you want to share why we haven't done anything so far?
Yeah, so it was like, I think the first day we were here, we went to the grocery store and we got all of our stuff, and then we were walking back and it started raining. It was like torrential downpour, so we were trying to get back, and this whole city, like, I guess all the sidewalks are kind of like this tile, and I guess I stepped on like a slanted part of the tile and then just like completely fell straight on my back, and I had my backpack on with the groceries on, and I had like eggs in my hand, and so I caught myself on my elbow, which you can see here. I got a nice big scrape on my elbow. I was bleeding. Like, there's a guy that stopped on his motorcycle to make sure that I was okay, because it was like, I guess it was a pretty hard fall, and then I fell on my back and cracked your glass jar of pickles. So the pickles were a goner. I had blood running down my elbow and pickle juice running down the back of my shirt and my pants.
It was
like not good.
It was like a scene from a cartoon. It was like I turned around and you were just launched off of the sidewalk, and it made my heart stop because I thought that Ben had hit his head, and I just like panicked, and I saw the blood, and then his back was all wet from the pickle juice, and I didn't know what was blood and what was pickle juice and what was rain. And yeah, so we've been taking care of his injury and taking it easy, but
I think I'm good
feeling
now.
better.
Yeah, I think I'm good. Did you get that?
Whenever we came to the Petronas Towers last time, we were only on like the front side, which is nice because you can see all of them, but there's so many like photographers and people. But the back side of like where the park and the fountains are, I think is the superior side. But I think that we can walk through this mall to get to the front side. Please don't fall again. You already have one injury.
Can't really get down.
Okay. Cow deals is all you need. Watson's cow deals online is all you need. Watson's cow deals.
Cow cow.
Cow.
Watson's cow deals.
Cow. Special prices cow online. Watson's cow deals. It's catchy song. Hello, can I get one A&W vanilla float?
For dessert, we got a root beer float and this chocolate drink. Should I try and guess what it is?
Yeah.
Ben ordered it, so I don't know. Is it like salty caramel?
Yeah.
No way.
It's kind of. It's so I got the iced milk chocolate with sea salt, cinnamon, and chili.
Chili?
Yeah.
Chili?
I asked him. I said, which ones are good? He said with that sea salt, cinnamon, and chili. So I said, okay.
Oh, I wouldn't have guessed that.
Is it good?
It tastes like whenever you have a craving for a chocolate bar, but it's like too hot outside and you know that it'll make you feel sick, this is the perfect solution because it's like a melted icy chocolate bar in a drink. You want to try it?
That's very specific.
Yeah, that's what it tastes like.
And
You
I got
like it?
oat milk.
Oh, nice. Did I describe it well?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I got the root beer float. What's the root beer float to shame?
You can really tell on this side how tall, like giant they are.
Yeah. Couple pick. Patronus pick. What'd you say?
We're at a 7-Eleven. Exciting stuff.
You just said we don't need 7-Eleven video.
We don't.
This is where we go to get AC.
AC break.